Wow, this laser in Mr. Paremba's room is really cool. I wonder what we're creating today.
I don't know. It looks really hot in there. I think it's overheating.
Oh no! Our circulator is broken!
I think there's a place around here that works on these.
Hey Susie, find a place nearby that works on circulators.
We're here from Whitehall-Coplay Middle School to learn about Ulabo USA. We're here to learn about what they do and how they do it. Ulabo is a German-based company that operates here in the Lehigh Valley. They manufacture all different kinds of circulator pumps that help heat things up and cool things down for industries all around the world. What's the biggest partnership Ulabo has had with another company?
Well, if you look at that glass reactor that we have in our training room, we partner with Ace Glass. They manufacture a variety of glassware, including those jackets, and our sales teams work very closely together so that we can propose a glass reactor with the Ulabo temperature control unit for the scientists or engineers to have the process work right the first time.
My role at Ulabo is basically Northeast Service Manager.
And can you tell me about your typical day?
Typical day is addressing customer issues, solving their problems so they can get back up and running and further their process.
Why might someone like me want to work for Ulabo?
Because you, Gary, I think you are a very curious person. You seem to be very passionate with what you do. And that's exactly what we need here, what we want here. And the people that you will find around you in the team are exactly like that. And that's a lot of fun. So it's a lot about enjoying working here, celebrating successes together. And somebody who wants to grow is always welcome. And you seem to be exactly this kind of person.
Thank you, Ulabo, for helping us with this new circulator.
And showing us what you do by cooling things down.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.